Hello and what's up? Again, I'm going to unbox another product and a tutorial how to set alarm and to set the time, and the rest that might want to know about this mini smart light sound machine. This is G63 Smart Light Sound Machine. By the way, I purchased this through AliExpress online shopping app in a very affordable price. Small, yet it has a lot of functions. A reminder, guys, in your first usage, please do charge it for 2 hours before using it, cause you will end up like me. I thought that this item is damaged. Inside the box is this: the Type-C charging cable, a manual with English and Chinese translations. I didn't charge it before using, so I'm getting upset because the light is not working. Bluetooth is not connecting, and even the clock display is not working. So please, charge it before using, so you will not end up like me. So this is G63 Smart Light Sound Machine, a mini version, a black color. So it has a wireless charging pad with single speaker. So this is the front view. It has 4 function keys and the digital clock display and 10 types of light choices. At the back is TFT card slot or micro SD card slot, AUX port, and the Type-C charging port with an input of 5 volts and 2 ampere to 9 volts and 1.8 amperes. So these are the 10 choices of light color. So how to set the alarm? Press and hold the M button till the alarm sign is blinking. Then press the back or forward button to adjust the hour. Then press the pause and play button to adjust the minutes. Same thing, press the back or forward buttons to adjust the minutes. Then press again the pause or play to turn on. And we did it. To turn off, press the M button. So even the device was turned off. As long as you set the alarm clock, it will automatically alarm on. So how to set up the time? First, press the M button till the hour is blinking. Then press the back or forward button to adjust it. Then press the play, pause button to adjust the minutes. Then do the same. Press the back or forward to adjust it. And then press the play, pause to set the time. Then there you have it. So let's connect it to Bluetooth and listen this music coming from the speaker itself. As you notice, this speaker doesn't have bass, and I'm using already the full volume in my laptop and even my phone. Still, the sound is really weak. So just showing how small this device is, at the back of it, the white color sound machine, which it has more function and features. Well, still up to you if you wanted to buy the bigger ones. The choice is yours. I'm just showing this so that you may have an idea. And by the way, I have separate video of the bigger sound machine. You may check it out. Thanks. Well, wireless charging pad is not really a fast charger. It doesn't indicate the manual how many watts it is. I'm checking also online, but it doesn't show. But it works on my iPhone 12 Pro. This mini version, as you notice, my iPhone exceeds the length of the charging pad.
Low battery. Please charge.
And by the way, it takes only 3 hours usage in my case before I need to charge it again. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.